What's up, guys? My name is Jeff. I'm the owner of RDRGear in Salt Lake City, Utah, and today we're going to talk about the little black dress of EDC holsters. My EDC rarely changes as far as my tertiary tools, meaning a flashlight, a folder of some sort as my utility daily tool, and then I always carry some type of blade as a lethal option tool outside of a handgun. It's always a fixed blade of some sort, and it's always in a horizontal style carry, not a vertical inside the waistband carry, outside the waistband, horizontal. And the reason for that is imagine a samurai, right? My good buddy Nick explains to me, is basically imagine clearing space with the sword. Same concept with the blade going this direction or in this direction, right? I'm clearing space either at an arc or at a hard angle. So again, if you're going to carry a blade, don't rely on a folder being your EDC blade. Look at the fixed blade. So the little black dress of EDC holsters, the inside the waistband holster, for regardless of whatever size gun you have, this style of holster is really something that everybody should have in your EDC attire. This pistol holster, when I made these back in the day, it wasn't anything that I've innovated. Everybody has a particular style of IW holster. When I first started making these back in 2010-ish, 11, I was foam molding these. I was making these actual clips by hand out of Kydex, out of pieces of 125 Kydex, bending the step down, bending the hook, and then I was using a belt sander to make the little hourglass shape here. Trust me, it was a pain in the ass, and I have no desire to go back to those days. But that's how we were making these. So with living in South Florida, when I was working there, there were times where my dress would be something, maybe a shirt like I'm wearing now with some slacks or a pair of jeans, but I was very beach casual or kind of weekend casual. So having a gun that was on an outside the waistband holster wasn't always doable because I didn't have an overgarment over my shirt. I just had a shirt on. All right, so basically when I have the gun on, you know, my body, the curvature of my arm is doing the concealment for me because now I know that the gun is there. It's on my strong side at kind of a 3:30, 4 o'clock, kind of in that dent of the kidney right here. And a very easy gun to get to if I had to get to the pistol, and having the ability to have the holster clip on and off. If I go pick up my nieces at school, I would personally not take the gun off. I would just keep it on because what someone doesn't know doesn't hurt them, and I'm still prepared, and the sign's not dictating whether or not I'm a victim or I may be able to aid and do something at that point in time. So again, that's something there. When you're looking for a holster like this, a IWB strong side carry holster is a great option to have. You can get these for full-size guns, compact guns. I do feel that if you are going to carry a subcompact, say like a SIG 238, for example, that's very small, something that you would consider a pocket pistol, by going inside the waistband strong side, you'll have a much better chance of having a concealed carry holster for that pistol than trying to go appendix carry for a very small pistol. This style of holster works very well for that under a suit and tie, under a blazer, under a button-down shirt or a cover garment, light vest. Inside the waistband, strong side carry, you will find that once you get in the range, being able to clear that cover garment and get to the gun is just as easy as doing it from appendix carry. But you have a little bit more freedom in tucked in shirt, blazer, sport coat, whatever case may be there. And again, having the ability to be a little more discreet in a draw. If I had to blade off and get away from somebody, I can get to that gun kind of maybe and then get that gun out and have it all ready versus trying to do the speed reaction draw from appendix carry. Nothing wrong with appendix carry as your primary option if you choose to be that way. But again, having a inside the waistband holster for something, for whatever gun you may own, is a great piece of tool to have in your kit as well. So that's kind of my overview in regards to the position of inside the waistband 4 o'clock. This may work for you, may not work for you. Try it out. But again, I think you'll find that having a little IW holster for your pistol that you primarily carry as your EDC is kind of a little black dress. It's the one that does all. So again, thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take care.